MongoDB. MongoDB is a database. Build the next big thing, the developer data platform that provides the services and tools necessary to build distributed applications fast at the performance and scale users demand. So if we click here in documentation, we're gonna see what is MongoDB Atlas. MongoDB Atlas is a multi-cloud database service by the same people that build MongoDB. Atlas simplifies deploying and managing your databases while offering the versatility you need to build resilient and performant global applications on the cloud providers of your choice. So what we are going to do right now is we're going to sign in, or we're going to create an account. So you just click here and sign up, and you can fill out this information. I'm going to create an account for this project, so it's going to be test pjs at gmail.com. Okay, first name I'll put test, last name I'll put app pjs, like this. And now you have to put your password, so it's gonna be like that. And company name is optional, so you can put whatever you want if you want some. So I'm gonna click here, I'm not a robot. Select motorcycles. Okay, so you do this little thing here, verify, and yeah, that's it. So click here, sign up, and yeah, that should be it. So we have our great. Now verify your email. Okay, check your inbox and click the verification link inside to complete your registration. This link will expire shortly. Okay, so I'm gonna go to my inbox, and I have here email address verification, so I'm gonna verify it. Okay, email successfully verified. Continue. Okay, so I already created an account. It's loading. Okay, welcome. Okay, use your account to deploy a cloud database with MongoDB Atlas. Okay, and there's some steps that we need to fill out. So what is your goal today? Your answer will help us guide you to successfully getting started with MongoDB Atlas. So you can pick one of those, maybe here this one, learn MongoDB. What type of application are you building? Let's say sales, mobile apps, and just exploring. Let's go for and just exploring. What is your preferred language? It's gonna be JavaScript. Okay, let's finish. Okay, so here we have MongoDB. Deploy your database. Use a template below or set an advanced configuration options. You can also edit these configuration options once the cluster is created. So you have this option here that is going to charge you. You have also the serverless that again is going to charge you, but you have here the last one, MO, for learning and exploring MongoDB in a cloud environment. So this is a free share, so we're gonna pick this one. Make sure it says free here. We're gonna choose AWS as our provider. You can just leave it here, Virginia, and name. You cannot change the name once the cluster is created. Okay, let's put a programming JS 0, programming JS 0, and I'm gonna create it. Okay, it's there, so I need to pick up this here. Okay, let me see my username. Okay, I'm gonna make a smaller one. Okay, so here one secure. Okay, security quick start. I have my username is gonna be okay, and this is gonna be my password. Now I don't want that to be, it's kind of like a long, so it's gonna be test app pjs. Let me see if I can use that one. Pjs 123, let's put it like that. So this is gonna be my username, and this is gonna be my password. And again, this is just for educational purposes, so just for showing some examples like that. This is not gonna be for production or anything like that. So this is important to have our username and password. So we're gonna click here in username and password, and as you can see, we already have a username and a password, but I modify it, so I change it to this one. And what is to where would you like to connect from? My local environment. Okay, so first I'm gonna create user like this, and now yeah, my local environment is fine. Where would you like to connect from? Enable access for any network that need to read and write data to your cluster. So it's gonna be my local environment. I'm gonna pick my current API address. This API has already been added. Okay, so yeah, that's good. Finish and close. Congratulations on setting up access rules. You will now be able to connect your deployments. You can continue to add and update access rules and database access and network access. So you just click here, go to your database. Let's leave it like that. And as you can see, to the right hand we have the database, we have data lake, we have the services, the security. Inside the services we have the triggers, the data API, we have the data federation, we have the search, and security we have the backup, the database access, the network access, and advanced. So right now this is my cluster that I name a programming JS0. So I have options here. I have connect. If I click it, we're gonna have some options. Set up connection security, choose a connection method. So connect with the MongoDB shell, connect your application, connect using MongoDB Canvas, connect using VS Code, so Visual Studio Code. That is that. We have browser collection. We have nothing here because we just created this account. So but you can load a sample data set, add my own data, so explore your data, find, run queries, and interact with documents, indexes, build and manage indexes, aggregation, test aggregation, pipeline, search, build search indexes. So we're gonna go back to overview, real-time collections. Okay, this is for the add my own data. So I have this in the previous example. Okay, so in the previous example, as you can see, we were writing route. So I'm gonna open this folder and this terminal, right click, and I'm gonna type code space that, and I'm gonna open it in Visual Studio Code. If you saw the previous video, we created a backend, and we have our package.json, we have express, we have .env. Okay, so I'm gonna name it, I'm gonna close this, and I'm gonna click in add my own data. So database name, I'm gonna put it I'm gonna name it for now, I'm just gonna name it full stack like this. And collection name, I'm gonna name it example like this. So this is gonna be my collection name, and this is gonna be the database name, and I'm gonna click create, and let's see, it's gonna take a while. Oh no, yeah, I did it fast, so I did it faster. So I have, this is my collection, this is my database is full stack, and my collection is example.